Moving forward, understanding, put the past behind. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're diving into the beautiful and transformative phrase, put the past behind. This expression is not just common in everyday conversations but also holds a deep meaning about personal growth and moving forward in life. We'll explore its significance, how to use it correctly, and share some examples to help you integrate this phrase into your English vocabulary seamlessly. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply looking to enrich your understanding, this video is for you. Let's get started. At its core, put the past behind is an idiomatic expression that encourages individuals to move on from past events, mistakes, or experiences that might be holding them back. It's about letting go of what cannot be changed and focusing on the present and future. This phrase can be empowering, offering a fresh start or a clean slate to those who embrace its message. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts, both personal and professional. Personal growth. When someone is overcoming a personal challenge or a setback, put the past behind, serves as a reminder to focus on self-improvement and not dwell on past events. Motivation and encouragement. It's a powerful way to motivate friends or loved ones going through tough times, signaling hope and the possibility of new beginnings. Professional contexts. In professional settings, it can be used to encourage moving forward from previous failures or mistakes, focusing on future successes. Example sentences. After the breakup, I realized it was time to put the past behind and start anew. Our project didn't go as planned, but we need to put the past behind and focus on our next big opportunity. Understanding and using put the past behind can have a profound impact on one's emotional and mental well-being. It's a crucial step in the journey towards forgiveness, healing, and growth. Embracing this phrase means acknowledging that while the past may shape us, it doesn't define our future. It's about giving ourselves permission to make mistakes, learn from them, and ultimately, grow stronger. Thank you for watching today's video on Put the Past Behind. We hope this exploration has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also offered a new perspective on facing life's challenges. Remember, moving forward and embracing change is a vital part of our personal and professional growth. Until next time, keep learning, stay positive, and don't forget to put the past behind to make room for the amazing opportunities ahead. Goodbye, and take care.